My bed frame is loose.
I'm spreading olive oil on the labels.
But the labels are green.
Tear them off and chuck them at the cat.
But the cat is green.
Pick up the cat, walk to the vet, and throw it at the desk clerk.
But the desk clerk is green.
Pick up the clerk, walk to the vet, and throw it at the desk clerk.
Throw a desk clerk at a desk clerk.
Don't forget the olive oil.
But the olive oil is green.
Then drown it in ketchup.
But the ketchup is green.
Why is everything in your house green?
Not everything is green.
Then dye it red.
But the red dye is green.
Oh, well, in that case, you might as well burn it to the ground.
Fantastic idea. But my mother would not approve.
Pick up the mother, take it to the vet, and throw it at the desk clerk.
Exactly. And then I burn it to the ground?
Exactly.
Hey, Mom, where's the flamethrower?
I don't know what to bake.
Me neither.
What about truffles?
Okay. But normal truffles sounds bland.
Let's add some majestics.
Like Oreos.
Okay. Fantastic idea. I think I have some Oreos around here somewhere. Aha! Oreos.
Loveliness.
Okay, let's look at our ingredients.
For our recipe, we will need a pack of Oreos, 25 to be exact.
4 ounces of cream cheese. We will soften that later.
And now here's where you can mix it up. But we will be using half a cup of white chocolate.
Half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate. Oops.
And the final ingredient, some sprinkles. Let's do this. Now here's the thing. You probably noticed that we haven't posted in a month and a half.
Yeah. When Ronan moved, all of his utensils were in boxes, so we couldn't record.
Then school started up again, and my schedule is so much crazier than before. I have barely any time to script, let alone record.
So our videos won't be coming out as often, but we will still continue to post.
Alrighty then. With that said and done, welcome to the second ever Bacon Zoom.
Bacon Zoom!
Bacon Zoom. Alright, so
Oh my goodness.
our first step is to grind up the Oreos. So we're going to use a food processor. Let's get to it. 3, 2, 1.
Now we are going to soften the cream cheese.
Alright, let me take you guys to the microwave. Alright, we got the microwave. Oh no. No. No! Oh, gosh.
What?
Our microwave has days where it won't open.
Okay, and?
It decided to do that today.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
How about we just... It's okay. How about we just soften our cream cheese by magic?
That's a fantastic idea. Alright.
What?
Oh man.
What?
We haven't asked Magic to do something in so long that they must have not heard us. Gary, is that you?
What?
What is with all the what?
I don't know.
Makes sense. Anyway, let's try and do the magic again.
Okay.
Oh, there. Okay.
Okay, let's try to soften the cream cheese now.
Alright. Oh,
There.
there you go. Cream cheese nice and soft tend. Alright. Whew.
Ronan, what do we do next?
Now we are going to mix our cream cheese and Oreo powder together until it forms a large clump. Let's do it.
I think I'm actually gonna mix my cream cheese and Oreos together in the food processor, using the food processor. I'm smart like that.
Farty fart! Alright, mine is nice and clumpy. Mia, I don't know if you knew this. They're limited to Oreos right now. I don't know if they have them down there, but they're strawberry donut. They're fantastic. Alright.
We got normal.
Oh. I didn't use them, but we have them in our sanctuary.
That's kind of gross.
Our snack sanctuary.
Okie dokie.
So, I'll show you guys what the clump looks like. It's not supposed to be like a cookie dough clump where it's one huge ball, but it's clumped.
Got it.
It's clumped enough to the extent where it's multiple little. So, here's what it should look like. You have multiple clumps.
Look at that clump. Well,
Yes.
now we're going to use our cookie scoop to put the dough onto a baking tray.
Alright, you can use whatever size cookie scoop you desire, though the bigger you make, the longer it may need in the fridge.
And you don't really need to worry about parchment because it won't really stick, but you can if you want. Now, we're going to put these in the fridge for 15 minutes.
Alright, let's do it. We should do a magic trick again.
Okay.
Right. It's a cave. What's so special about this cave?
I don't know. Maybe it's up there.
Oh. Alright, let's go.
Oh my fuzzy little kittens.
Wow.
It's all real.
Should we try taking it out?
Yeah.
Congratulations. You have become the new king.
I think you mean queen.
Of course.
Cool. Well, what do I get to do?
Rule the land of Cookland.
Cookland, like baking and stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Can my friend be the king? He helped me.
He helped you.
Yeah. Is that a problem?
Yes. To become the queen, you have to pull the sword out by yourself.
Well, rules schmools.
It's okay. We will have our chance. That's our own kind of Cookland.
Speaking of which, we kind of need to get back.
Oh yeah.
It is time to decorate.
We have some sprinkles, some extra chocolate to drizzle, and some Jude Bug sandwich. Fresh.
Jude Bug sandwich?
I know, right? I had some leftovers from breakfast, and I was thinking, let's use them for the truffles.
Fantastic idea! Anyway, let's get decorating. Now that the 15 minutes is over, we're gonna melt the chocolate.
We're gonna melt the white chocolate and the semi-sweet chocolate in separate bowls. We suggest doing this over a double broiler, but you can always use a microwave.
Alright, everyone, it is taste test. We are tasting the test.
They started already.
Yeah.
Tastes pretty good.
What is dropping them? Jensen. All right, Gray. Thumbs up or thumbs down? 4 thumbs up over here.
We get to move on to the semifinals. I've got to say, much better than the lava cakes.
1000% better.
More like 994%.
What happened to the other 6%?
The lava cakes ruined my appetite completely.
Really? It's been a month.
Do you remember how disgusting they were?
Yeah, you do make a point.
Putting that aside, we hope you liked our second ever
Bacon Zoom.
Bacon Zoom.
Bacon Zoom. Mia?
Yeah?
I'm done burning the house down.
Good.
Only one question.
Yep.
Where will I live and cook and eat June bug sandwiches?